BJ, a software consultant. Today I am going to show you how to use Oracle SQL Developer for a select, insert, update, delete statements. So I am going to start it here. So my computer, and here the SQL Developer. Double click here. So it will open the SQL Developer, and it's opening. So here, I already last video I showed you how to connect the SQL Developer with Oracle. So I'm going to HR. Okay. So now we can see all the tables in it. So here, this is actually the worksheet. So here we write the query. So for I already write a little bit here. So I copy here. So this is so. Select a star from country, so it will select all the data in this particular table. So when you click it here, this is actually the run the statement. So when we run it, it will show you all the see country name and country ID, region ID, and we want to filter it. So we want to filter the statement. So what we need to do, so we can like a statement like this. So we can do here. So here select star from countries where country ID equal to air. So when we run this statement, so what we get the result, run it here. So we get this is uh, this is Argentina. So we are getting the country for this one. And now I'm going to show you we can select two tables and join it and then get the result. So we can do this by do this. So here we will see what is. So when you here, so we join two tables here. The see, you will see countries and locations. So we selecting both the tables and getting the country ID, the US. So when we run it, we will see that we get four results. That is based on US. We need the US. We need to filter it using the where clause, and we get this result. So these are some of the select statement using SQL Developer. And another thing is we need to know how to insert data into a table. So we can do this is actually, so we can select a department. Okay, so we want to this is where we click on the data, we will see all it, and we want to put insert one. So what we can do is we can this is actually pin. So we pin here, and then we want to add. So this plus sign, click insert row. So it's already do that, and then we can put it like 279 or whatever, and we can say shipping something, yeah, shipping, and then this value 1700. And then when we do that, we want to complete this transaction, we need to commit it. So now when we refresh it, you will see this one new row is added. Another way we can do this by the normal statement like this. So we can insert it by here this statement, and then try to run it like here. So when we run it, so it's inserted. So we go here and then go to here, and then we need to commit this. So it's commit, and then we refresh it. See the So both ways we can insert data here. And another thing, we want to see the all the objects in this user. So what we can do is actually we can say another statement like this. So this statement will give you by all the objects in this particular user. So we can run this and see. So now you got all the objects, like all the tables, all the index and everything in this for this particular user. So now what we can do is we can do an update statement. So we can do update by different ways. Suppose this department, so we want to update something. Suppose we want to update this. So this one, pin it, and then we can put it like 270, like 321, and then we want to update it to the commit. It's updated, now is 321, and go to the worksheet, and then we can do the same thing using uh, update statement like this. Okay, we can update here a statement like this. So here click it and then run it. So it updated 3 rows. So this is our condition. Manager ID is 109, where department ID in these 3 120, 130 and 140, it's updated 3 rows now. So when you go to the department and then we refresh it, we will see that it's updated, right? So so these are the another thing is we can so we go to here the data and then the worksheet, and then we can write it another delete statement. So and see, so we can do delete by doing the same thing that I showed you. Go to here and then pin it, and then we don't want this, so delete it and then commit it. So it's gone. Now when you refresh it, you can see, and the same thing we can do in the worksheet. So here, so we can go here and then so what we do is we delete it, so run it and see, it's deleted 8 rows. So if you don't want to do this, and we can do this rollback is another, so it will go back to the previous stage. We can say some conditions to do that. So when you roll by complete, and when we go to the table and then refresh it, so it came everything back, right? So for today, this is the thing, and thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you.